I'm doing a workshop in London for all you hot yoga knuckleheads like me. I go through in detail a technique which will ensure your hot yoga practice restores any musculoskeletal damage you may have. So if you're suffering from pain, back pain, shoulder pain, arthritic pain, sports injury, this workshop will change everything for you in a rapidly short time. I go through the science, the mindset, the technique, and how to integrate it into your hot yoga practice. If you're still using the same technique you developed as a beginner, you may be making matters worse. Join me for my workshop. It's on the 17th of November at the Yoga Quarter. That's it, the Yoga Quarter in London. Click the link to find out more and book your slot.